Hello all. We are facing some problems regarding Adobe Animate. So, as many of you have asked me to make a session on that, today I have taken this as my topic. So, what is Adobe actually? Why do we need that? So, Adobe, you can call it as a software tool or an application developed by Adobe Systems. So, what does this stands for? Animate CC. Animate CC stands for Animate Creative Cloud. Why do we need this Adobe Animate? It basically helps us to create interactive animations as well as vector graphics. So, what are vector graphics? The images or any of the graphics which we are developing using the drawing tools, like the basic shapes or basic drawing tools, those images are called vector graphics. So these vector graphics and animations created can be used in websites, videos, interactive applications, video games, television programs, and also we can use them in web applications, web-based applications. So the animated cartoons and movies we watch every day on TV are the best examples of these animations and vector graphics. So in this session, we are going to learn about all this. Introduction to Adobe Animate, what are the components, that is nothing but the parts, how to operate, how to create the basic shapes, how to use the gradient fill options, creating symbols and instances, layers, as well as frames. So how do we open or how do we log in or how do we use the Adobe CC? So once we install, just like other applications, we will be seeing Adobe Animate in our start button. So just start searching, you will find this. You can even click open or you can click here. Because it's a huge software, it takes few seconds to get loaded. So don't be in a rush to keep pressing the keys. Basically, we don't have much patience. We will try to keep pressing enter or something. So just don't do that. Okay. So this is the first screen which appears once we open Adobe Animate. So using this Adobe Animate, we can create all this HTML, Canvas, WebGL, ActionScript 3, Add for desktop, Add for Android, Add for iOS, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so as we are dealing with Adobe CC, first we have to choose this option, ActionScript 3.0. Okay, then you will be getting a default page like this. So first let's discuss on the components of the window. So as we have these menu options like file, edit, view, insert, modify, text, commands, control, debug, window, and help. This is called the menu bar. Okay, just look at my cursor, concentrate on my cursor. This is the menu bar. And to the right corner, you have three control buttons, minimize, maximize, restore, as well as close button. And by default, you will have this toolbar to the right hand corner, just like this. Okay. So as this is a dockable window, I can just drag and keep it anywhere in the window according to my convenience. So I prefer this to be at the left hand side. So I have arranged it this way. Okay. So this is the toolbar. So again, our toolbar is divided into different sections. If you see, each category is separated by a thin line. Okay. So the first set of tools are the selection tools. As you place your mouse over there, you will see which tool is that. So this is the normal selection tool. This is the sub-selection tool, pre-transform tool, 3D rotation tool, lasso tool. All these are selection tools. Next category comes under the drawing tools. So we have pen tool, text tool, line tool, and for the different shapes, we have different tools as well as pencil and brushes. Okay. And the next ones are the editing tools, wherein you have the bone tool, paint bucket tool, ink bottle, eyedropper, eraser, as well as width tool. Okay. So these are the basic tools which we use. And the white space which you are seeing here is called the stage. This is the workplace of our Adobe Animate. This is where we do work. Then this is the properties panel, and you have just immediately a library panel over here. So what does property panel consists of? So as you choose any of the options, here you will get more sub options belonging to that particular tool. So library, it's a storage place for different objects or symbols. We will learn it further. And at the bottom of the screen here, you're seeing something like a ruler. This is called the timeline. So, and basically in history, we always used to, locate the wars or battles or the kings or kingdoms along with the years on a time. So just like that, when we are creating a movie or an animation, according to the sequence, we will arrange the buttons or the video clips or the pictures or images. So it's not mandatory that we always have to shoot or create something in a sequence. So we can change the order as well. So this is the place where we arrange everything in an order. So these are the basic components of Adobe CC. Let's discuss on how to create a document in Adobe CC in the next week. Hope you understood the components. Thank you. Have a good day.